Now that we have our house pieces cut, it's time to move on to the trees. So you'll have wanted to roll out some more dough, and we get to use our tree cookie cutters. Now, if you don't have or can't find three-dimensional tree cookie cutters, it's very easy to make your own. What you would do is just use a regular tree for your cookie cutter, and then use it twice for each tree that you're making, and then cut one of the trees in half. And this allows you to glue on, using our royal icing, the side pieces so that you have a three-dimensional tree. And I'm just going to cut out several tree shapes from our cookie dough right here before putting them onto our ungreased cookie sheet. So you want to try and arrange your cookie cutters so that you're getting as many cookies on here as possible. This will result in fewer times that you are rolling your dough out, which overworking the dough is never a good thing. You want to try and roll it out as few times as possible, which will give you a better cookie. So we're just going to start peeling the dough away from here, and then we'll use a spatula to transfer our cookies onto the cookie sheet and on to the next step.